Welcome back to Dlecta's pizza making guide, and as promised, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, mouth-watering pizza without the oven. Pizza is all about personalization and flavors. So whether you're in a small dorm room or a small kitchen or just looking for a fun adventure, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. To get started with the recipe, we need a pan. Now you can use any pan that you have available at your home kitchen, and another thing that we will need is the pizza dough. So let's get it. I'm sure by now you must have mastered the art of making the perfect pizza dough from scratch. Firstly, let's start by greasing the pan with some olive oil. Even if you're using a non-stick pan, I would recommend to grease the pan with olive oil. This would help to make the stretching process easier. Now we will take a portion of the dough for the pizza and spread it on the pan. Now this one I'm making slightly thick crust, so I've taken more dough as well. But if you prefer a thin crust pan pizza, then you can make that too. Once the pizza dough is nice and stretched, I'm gonna take a fork and dog the pizza base. We do this so the pizza cooks evenly and doesn't fluff up from the center. Our pizza base is dogged, and now it's time to spread the sauce. I know that the sauce is too delicious, but ensure that you add it evenly and in the right proportion so that your pizza doesn't become soggy. Once the pizza sauce is evenly spread, it's time to add some cheese to this. I'm using the Dlecta Mozzarella cheese, which has no added preservatives or additives. This time I'm going to grate the cheese instead of tearing it. Ensure to spread this evenly, and now it's time to add our toppings. आप आपके favorite toppings add कर सकते हैं. Let me show you what my favorites are. Firstly, I'm gonna add some diced onions along with some diced peppers, adding some diced tomatoes. They say that you eat with your eyes first, and that's why I want to make this pan pizza as vibrant as possible and add as many colors as possible. I'm using a combination of black and green olives, but you can add any one. And for some heat, I've got red jalapenos. Here I've added all my favorite toppings, and there's still space to add a little bit more cheese because who doesn't love cheese? So grate a little bit more cheese on top and cover the veggies slightly. Everything is assembled, the only thing left is to cook this. So let's go. Ensure to cook this on a low flame so that the cheese melts gradually, our base is cooked perfectly, and also don't forget to cover this. Wow, this clearly looks amazing. Our perfect pan pizza is ready. It's now time to plate this up. You can pack a little bit more flavor by topping it with oregano, chili flakes, or even Tabasco. So whoever said that you need an oven to make the perfect pizza was clearly wrong, because here we have a delicious, cheesy pan pizza ready. Keep following Dlecta's pizza making guide for more such delicious recipes.